Birds are some of the most beautiful and colorful animals we see around us. They have two legs with claws which they use to perch on branches, scratch the ground, and hold their food. Birds have many special features that help them to fly. They have wings with feathers attached to them. Their bodies are boat shaped, streamlined, which help them to cut through the air easily. Their bones are light and strong. They are hollow and filled with air. This keeps the body light and helps the birds to fly easily. Their wings are attached to strong muscles called flight muscles. They help the wings to move up and down. Although all birds have feathers and wings, they fly different distances and at different heights. Eagles and vultures can fly very high in the sky. Birds like sparrows and bulbuls fly at low heights. Hens and peacocks fly very short distances, whereas swallows and cranes can fly very long distances. Some birds like ostrich, penguin, kiwi, and emu cannot fly because they have weak flight muscles and heavy bodies. A bird takes care of its feathers by cleaning them with its beak. This is called preening. Feathers. Apart from flying, the feathers of the bird help it in a number of other ways. They trap the body heat and keep the bird warm when it is cold. Feathers help birds to swim. Some aquatic birds like ducks have waterproof feathers. This prevents them from getting wet. The color of the feathers helps the birds to hide from their enemies. Feathers also help to protect a bird's sensitive skin and attracts its partner. The Easter egg bird in South America lays multicolored eggs of blue, green, pink, yellow, and purple color. Neck movement. Some birds like myna, peacock, and owl move their necks a lot. The myna moves its neck back and forth with a jerk. The peacock also moves its neck back and forth while walking. The owl can rotate its neck backwards to a very large extent. Birds and their sounds. We all have heard the chirping of birds. Birds usually communicate with two kinds of sounds, a call and a song. A call is a single sound, such as a quack, that is repeated often. A song is a series of notes that sound musical. Beaks. Birds use a lot of energy while flying. Thus, they need to eat a lot of food. They use their keen eyesight, beaks, and claws to get bugs, worms, fish, fruits, grains, or nectar. We can know the type of food the bird eats by observing its beak. The shape of the beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Birds do not have any teeth. They have a tongue which has a bone in it. Birds like sparrows and pigeons that have to crack open their food have short, hard, and pointed beaks. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and curved beaks. This helps them to drink nectar from flowers. Woodpeckers and Hoppies have sharp, strong, straight, and pointed beaks. This helps them to make holes in the bark of trees and pull out insects. The parrot has a strong and hooked beak to crack seeds, nuts, and fruits. Water birds like ducks and spoonbills have broad and flat beaks. The beak helps them to dig mud underwater. Birds like storks and cranes that have to catch fish have long and pointed beaks. Kites, eagles, and vultures have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks to tear the flesh off animals. Migratory birds. To escape the extreme cold conditions, some birds fly long distances to warmer places every year. Such birds are called migratory birds. This movement of birds every year which change in season is called migration. Some birds also move due to shortage of food or to reproduce.